Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unmotivated, even after a full night's sleep? Many people struggle with low energy levels, brain fog, and an overall sense of fatigue that just won't go away. It can be frustrating when you're doing everything right, but still feel drained. DIY solutions and quick fixes often fall short. You might try caffeine boosts, energy drinks, or even herbal remedies, but they often lead to crashes or just mask the problem instead of fixing it. Enter Feilaira, a unique supplement specifically designed to support your energy and mental clarity. Unlike other products, Feilaira combines natural ingredients that work synergistically to help you feel revitalized and focused throughout the day. In a recent study, users reported a significant boost in their energy levels and improved